Some of those downpours are already out there. You can see on radar, most of the action has been to the southwest of the city so far. In Fort Bend County, you can see that cluster of very heavy downpours moving through the Sugar Land and Richmond areas, and they're drifting their way off to the northwest at a rather slow pace, so dropping a good amount of rain, very beneficial rain. A few more downpours that are kind of falling apart and dissipating as they lift north through Liberty County, and that's about it for now. I expect there will be more, though, as we go through the remainder of the day today. So scattered downpours expected this afternoon. I think we do it again for tomorrow. No activity to report to you out in the tropics. We remain quiet. We'll wrap up July with only 2 named storms. Those were in the first couple days of the month, and head into the first couple days of August, likely still very quiet. All right, let's talk about those rain chances going forward. Here's FUTURETRACK starting things off this afternoon. Going into the late afternoon, early evening hours, notice more widespread showers and downpours along I-10 and lifting north. A lot of this is driven by the sea breeze and enhanced by the daytime heating. So once we lose the sun, we'll see activity fall apart and quiet down. So overnight hours, not expecting any showers or downpours. Tomorrow morning, the sun comes on up, and watch what happens as we heat things up throughout the day. We see more showers and thunderstorms with heavy downpours developing by lunchtime, lifting north through our coastal areas and north of I-10 into the afternoon. So kind of a repeat to what we're expecting this afternoon to play out again for tomorrow. Now, going ahead to the next 7 days in terms of rainfall potential. Now, this is our GFS model. It really doesn't show a whole lot, with the exception being those areas that are under those very small, isolated, heavy downpours. So this is more of a wide-ranging model here, showing some bullseye areas that could see a quick inch of rain in some of those downpours. Outside right now, it is hot and extremely muggy. 93 degrees, but with a dew point at 73, it feels almost 10 degrees hotter than that. It's only the lunch hour, too. 95 at Tomball, 97 at Katy, 94 in El Campo, Palacios at 88, one of our cooler spots. When you factor in the dew points, humidity makes it feel like it's in the triple digits in most locations. You see Sugar Land has now dropped because it had some rain move over the observation post there. Feels like 102 at Conroe, 103 now out in Katy. High temperatures for the next 7 days, although we'll stay shy of 100 degrees, it'll still be at or above average for this time of the year, which is in the mid-90s. So 97 today, close to average by Friday, and then warming a little bit more through the upcoming weekend when we climb into the upper 90s. Now let's talk tropics. There's nothing to talk about out there. No development expected over the next 5 days in the basin. The Gulf of Mexico remains void of any activity, and the same out in the main development region of the Atlantic. We had one tropical wave yesterday that has really fallen apart. The main driving force behind that is all the dry air, the Saharan dust that continues to be present out in the majority of the Atlantic, and that keeps the tropics quiet for now. Let's look ahead to the weekend. 97 degrees on Saturday. Isolated risk still at around 30%. Then into Sunday, that drops to 20%, and we push temperatures up a degree or two, up to 98. Now, 7-day forecast does have those rain chances through the rest of our work week, and then just staying hot and kind of an afternoon isolated shower or storm likely into early next week.